the 3-day cancellation rule. It sounds simple enough, but there is more to it than meets the eye. This consumer protection measure, also known as the cooling off period, allows you to cancel certain contracts within 3 business days. But which contracts qualify, and how do you properly cancel? Let us break it down for you. The 3-day cancellation rule is designed to protect consumers from high-pressure sales tactics and impulsive purchases. It primarily applies to contracts signed outside of a seller's usual place of business. This includes door-to-door sales, contracts signed at trade shows, or even agreements made in your own home. Federal and state laws govern this rule, with some states offering even longer cancellation periods. For instance, California provides consumers with a cooling-off period that can extend up to 5 days for certain contracts. However, not all contracts fall under this rule. Automobile purchases, even those made at car shows, are not covered. Neither are real estate transactions, insurance contracts, or securities investments. Purchases made entirely online by phone or through mail order are also exempt. Additionally, emergency home repairs and goods intended for business use rather than personal or household purposes do not qualify. So, how do you properly cancel a contract under this rule? First, check if your contract is eligible. If it is, you must submit a written cancellation notice within the 3 business day period. It is best to send this notice via certified mail to ensure you have proof of cancellation. Your notice should include your name, contact information, and a clear statement that you are canceling the contract. Time is of the essence here. The 3 business days start from the day you sign the contract. Weekends and federal holidays do not count towards these 3 days. For example, if you sign a contract on a Friday, you have until the end of Tuesday to cancel. Once you have canceled, the seller must refund your money within 10 business days. They also have 20 business days to either pick up any items you received or reimburse you for shipping costs if you need to return them. It is important to note that while this rule provides significant consumer protection, it is not a universal get-out-of-contract-free card. Always read contracts carefully before signing and do not rely solely on the cooling-off period as a safety net. Remember, the 3-day cancellation rule is just one of many consumer protection measures. If your contract does not qualify under this rule, you may still have other options. Some businesses have their own cancellation policies that extend beyond legal requirements. Always check the terms of your agreement and do not hesitate to communicate with the seller if you have concerns. In the world of contracts and consumer rights, knowledge is power. Understanding the 3-day cancellation rule can help you make informed decisions and protect your interests as a consumer. Whether you are signing a contract at your doorstep or at a trade show, keep these guidelines in mind. They might just save you from an unwanted commitment down the line.